Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, let's see. We have here the Three of Swords, Page of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, the Hermit card, the Empress, and the Eight of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. Bottom card is Nine of Swords. Ooh. Okay, so someone here is in this hermit mode right now with this Virgo energy. We have also Libra energy. Ayan, so itong taong to ay parang nagmumukmuk lang siya, nagkukulong sa kwarto, hindi makatulog sa gabi, and kinukulong niya lang yung sarili niya with this Eight of Swords, no? Kumbaga, ayaw niya makipag-usap kahit kanino, ninanamnam lang niya yung sakit. Ayan, na Three of Swords energy, and itong betrayal na nangyari dito with the Ten of Swords. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel natin dito. So, we have here, Take Back Your Power by Archangel Raziel. Use your God-given power and intention to manifest blessings in your life. So, ayan, parang sinasabi, tumayo ka na dyan sa pagmumukmuk mo kasi maraming blessings ang darating sa iyo ngayon. Okay, so tingnan natin sa mga signs and symbol cards. Kasi with this Nine of Cups, sayang naman tong mga ready na sana. Kumbaga, hindi makapasok itong mga blessings na to dahil nagmumukmuk ka dyan. So, buksan mo yung pinto ng opportunity this time. Tumayo ka na sa iyong pagmumukmuk dyan. And, oo, hindi madali na gawin yun, lalo na kung parang may mga pinagdaanan kang hindi maganda. So, lalo na kung nade-depress, no, sa mga nangyari. And, ayan, no, sayang tong mga energies natin dito na mukhang very soon is coming in your way. Kaya, huwag mong palampasin ang opportunity na ito. I-grab mo yan. So, we have here binoculars, magnet, dream catcher, bell, playing cards, and pillow. Ayan, no, talagang insomnia. And bottom card, magnifying glass. Kaya wag mong hayaan na makatakas, makawala itong magagandang opportunities na ito nang dahil lang sa iniiyakan mo na with displaying energy. So, ayan, hindi na itong taong iniiyakan mo na who betrayed you in the past. So, huwag mo ikulong yung sarili mo sa lungkot. Ayan, kasi ikaw lang yung nagkukulong sa sarili mo ngayon with this Hermit card. No, kaya lalo na kung hindi naman deserve nitong taong ito na iyakan mo. Buhay pa yan. Huwag mo iyakan. So, tingnan natin. Kasi sayang itong magnet dito, mama-attract mo itong mga bagay na ito. Kumbaga, blessings in disguise pa yan Kumbaga, parang nawalan ka ng malas, nabunutan ka ng tinik nung nawala yung taong yan. So, tingnan natin sa tarot messages, oracle cards. Ayan, no? I need to achieve my goal. So, ito yung kailangan mong gawin muna ngayon. I-achieve itong mga goals ito, yung mga dream mo. Ayan. I-catch mo yung mga dream mo na yan. We have here, you're so sexy. I want solid foundations. Can we start again? Kasi itong taong yan, mukhang may balak pa yung manggulo ulit sa'yo You complete me. You're my happy pill, you're my strength, and I have fear and anxiety. So, pwede rin naman na new person to na ma-search mo, mahanap mo. New person na makita mo, makilala mo very soon. And you're my inspiration, bottom card. So, tingnan natin more messages. Ating the hidden truth, oracle cards. I want to feel that way again. ayan o, I bury myself in work to forget you. So, maaari ikaw ang gagawa niyan. Talagang kakalimutan mo na yung taong yun. So, we have here, I'm starting to understand our connection. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So, hindi yan sometimes yan eh, ano. Pwede magkabaliktad, pwedeng siya nakaka-experience niyan. Or, pwedeng ikaw. Finding out the truth crushed me. I want to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to contact you and we need to let each other go. So, ayan, kailangan nang i-let go yung mga ganyang sitwasyon, ganyang tao. And it was my fault, but I blamed you. Okay, kuha tayo ng blue card. We have, biglang Union of Hearts. And manifestation. Attraction. Okay. So, ano dito ang attraction with this magnet. So, kuha tayo ng initials. Pwedeng initials ng pangalan nyo. Anything na pwedeng mabuo na connected sa inyo. KM, ZB, T, C, SJ, O, G, D, L, P, bottom card. So, let's see sa general signs and messages. So, mga keywords na lang to, hindi na natin kailangan i-explain. Alam nyo na yan. We have here skin tag, travel, city, kind-hearted, Aquarius, November, flower farm, mountain. So, ay mag-focus ka na lang daw sa mga goals mo this time para ma-distract ka, maka-move on ka from that person. Number 5, animal lover, Cancer sign, caring, intelligent, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, selfie-holic, shy at first, mirror. Kasi during this time, in the process of moving on, mukhang darating yung taong hinahanap mo with this magnifying glass. Aries, South PH, flirtation. So, ayan, maglumanti ka naman daw sa iba. Huwag mo na isipin yung taong yun. So, we have here August, 6, athletic, full of charisma, and the runner card. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care, and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.